Imagine arriving in China and realizing you can't pay for food, a taxi, or even your supplier because you don't have the right app. If you're traveling to China for business, tourism, or attending the Canton Fair, this is one app you should set up before you fly. In today's video, I will show you step by step on how to set up WeChat Pay as a foreigner using your international bank card. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also share some important things many first-time visitors don't know that could save you time and frustration in China. Hi everyone, I'm Chioma Stephen, and on this channel, I share practical tips on China sourcing, importation, Chinese apps, and the Canton Fair. Let's get started. What is WeChat? Before we start, think of WeChat as WhatsApp plus Facebook plus Apple Pay plus Power Pay plus banking all in one app. It is not just for chatting. You can use it to pay for almost everything in China. That's why I didn't include WeChat Pay in my previous payment methods videos. It does so much that it deserves its own video. Step 1. Download WeChat. The first thing you need to do is download WeChat from either the Apple Play Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play Store if you're using an Android. Search for WeChat and install it. I've already downloaded the app and created my account, so I'll continue from there and show you the remaining steps. Step 2. Open WeChat. Open the app, log into your account. I've already logged in as well, so once I tap on it, it opens. Step 3. Go to Me. At the bottom right, tap Me. Step 4. Next, tap Pay and Services. If you don't see Pay and Services, make sure your app is updated depending on your country. It may also appear after your account has been verified. Step 5. Open Wallet. Inside Pay and Services, tap Wallet. This is where all your payment settings are located. Step 6. Add your bank card. Now, tap Bank Cards. Then, add a card. Enter your card details. WeChat accepts many international cards, including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, JCB, Discover, Diners Club. Once your bank verifies your card, you're ready for the next step. Step 8. Set your payment password. Create your 6-digit payment password. You will use this whenever you want to make payments. Choose something secure that you will remember. Step 9. Start paying. Congratulations, your WeChat Pay is ready. There are 2 ways to pay. The first is by scanning the merchant QR code. The second is by showing your payment QR code or to the cashier to scan. Both methods only take few seconds. What can you pay for? With WeChat Pay, you can pay for restaurants, coffee shops, supermarkets, street food, hotels, shopping malls, DD, taxis, suppliers, factories, the Canton Fair, convenience stores, tourism attractions, and so much more. That's why almost everyone in China uses it every day. Important things you should know. If you are using an international card, payments above 200 RMB usually attract a 3% transaction fee. Payments of 200 RMB or less are generally free. Also, some features like sending money to friends, receiving transfers, or using red packets may not be available unless you have a mainland Chinese bank account. My recommendation, whenever I'm traveling to China, I always recommend downloading both WeChat and Alipay. Why? Because some suppliers, restaurants, and businesses prefer WeChat Pay while others prefer Alipay. Having both means you always have a payment option. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because I share practical tips on sourcing from China, importing Chinese app, and the Canton Fair. Also, let me know in the comments, have you already set up WeChat Pay or will this be your first time using it? Thank you so much for watching. I am Chioma Stephen and I will see you in my next video.